Advent marks the beginning of the liturgical year, a season of waiting, hope, and joyful preparation for the coming of Christ. Derived from the Latin word adventus, meaning coming or arrival, it reminds us of two important moments: the first coming of Jesus in Bethlehem and His promised return in glory.
Sa panahon ng Adbyento, tayo ay inaanyayahan na magnilay at maghanda, hindi lamang sa pisikal na aspeto ng Pasko, kundi lalo't higit sa ating mga puso. Ito ang panahon upang manahimik at magnilay, panahon ng pananalangin at pagbabalik loob sa Diyos.
Advent challenges us to slow down amidst the busyness of the season. It encourages us to embrace the virtues of hope, peace, joy, and love, which are symbolized by the candles of the Advent wreath. Bilang mga Kristiyano, tinatawag tayo na maging liwanag din para sa iba sa gitna ng kadiliman ng mundo.
Halina at samahan niyo kami sa 4 na linggong pagninilay sa panahon ng Adbyento. Sama-sama nating pagnilayan at unawain ang diwa ng Adbyento bilang isang pagkakataon upang lumago sa pananampalataya at pagmamahal sa kapwa.
The first Sunday of Advent invites us to begin the journey of waiting and preparation for the coming of Christ. The Gospel reading reminds us of the need to remain vigilant and hopeful, always ready to welcome the Lord into our lives, whether in His second coming or in the daily moments of grace we often overlook. Hope is the central theme of this Sunday. In a world filled with uncertainty and challenges, the call to stay awake becomes more meaningful. To stay awake is to live in hope, trusting that God is faithful to His promises. It is not a passive waiting, but an active anticipation, preparing our hearts and lives for the fulfillment of God's plan. Sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay, madalas na tayo ay abala at madali tayong matangay ng mga problema at takot. Ngunit ang Adbyento ay paalala ng Diyos ay darating sa tamang panahon. Ang Kanyang pagdating ay magdadala sa atin ng kaliwanagan, lakas sa ating kahinaan at pag-asa sa gitna ng kawalang katiyakan. Hope challenges us to trust even when we do not see the full picture. It reminds us that God is with us, Emmanuel, and that His love will never fail. As we light the first candle of the Advent wreath, let it symbolize the light of hope that shines in our hearts, guiding us through life's uncertainties.